Hello, hello, hello. Today is Monday. And man, did we have a winter storm here in Canada. Snowed basically for 3 days now. And there's nothing but more light snow for the next 7 days. Really sucks. I got about 8 to 12 inches of snow on top of my freaking car. I gotta go out there and brush it off. Oh, yeah. I used to park underneath, in the concrete when they got one speck of snow on there. But the people who own this place, they're too cheap to turn the fans on to get all the exhaust, the carbon monoxide fumes out of there. So I can't handle it. I can't breathe. And then they have a swimming pool and they have chlorine. They say it's a salt pool, whatever. Salt and chlorine are the same shit. And then I breathe that in. So I had to move my car up top, on top of the ground where the snow falls on it and the rain falls on it and you name it and falls on it. Yeah. So we had a humdinger of a day here, but we still had some trades. We have higher highs right here. Okay. And it's like right here like this. It should line up pretty close. Yeah. So you would have sold before it opened because 9:30 is right here. Okay. So you would have sold in here. And it would have been a beautiful trade. Yeah. And down it went. Big trades. Big trades. Let's say you sold it in here. After the big whoosh down, right? You got in, down it came. Here's another higher close candle and another one. There's two of them. Two of them there, boy. Two of them? Yes, indeed. Okay. And here's another one here. Now that's still in the mid-range, see? There's the top range. Here's the mid-range. And here's the low range down here. You don't want to be selling down here. Okay? And then they had their sideways chop shop here. And oh, I got wrecked in here because all you have to do is a couple trades and you're in shit, man. You're in fucking shit. And that's what I did. I bought it a couple times thinking, oh yeah, they're going to take it back up. And they didn't. Instead, they fish us out, fucking fish us out. The fuckers. Anyway, there is a trade here, but I was already in the trade, right? I was already in the trade from, where the hell was it? I think it was down here somewhere. I'm not absolutely sure. I got long in here and we went up. And I held it through here and through here and through this dip. And I got out, I'm not kidding you, somewhere up here. I got out right on this big shoot up momentum candle right here. Not that it was very big or anything. And look what happened after that. After I got out, next candle, no more momentum up. Then they started selling it off. I thought when they took it down here, actually this one, I thought for sure they were going to take it back down here. They didn't do it though. Some bulls got in there and bulled it up. They said, watch out, get the fuck out of my way, I'm going to buck up. So they bucked up. Same with this one too. I thought, oh, they're going to crash it down and I'm going to go back to break even or whatever. Something like that. And they bucked it up again. So these two, excuse me, these two little rallies up. Let me make it a little bigger so you can see it. See? 1, 2, 3 bulls. 1, 2, 3 bulls. Yeah. Anyway, I got out with 300 points today. I know you're going, how did he make 300 points? Well, say I'm doing one contract and I made 10. Okay, so there's 10. But if I'm doing 3, well, then to me, I made like 300 points, but really I didn't. But I just increased my contract size, if you know what I mean. I'm sure you know what I mean. So that's what I'm counting. So the other day or last week when I said, holy fuck, I had a good day, I had no losing trades and whatever, and I made 560 points, well, do the math. I was doing a few contracts to get to that point. But if I was doing one, I would have only made maybe 50 points. I don't know. Anyway, we did have one more trade. Let me show you. I'm not a big trader. I'm the first one to admit that. Okay? I do this. I trade for sport. Okay? I have such a passion and I don't fucking know why. I have such a passion for trading. I love it. That's why I do it, and I trade very small, uh, you know, so that way I don't get in too much trouble, and I keep trading, and because I like it. I like to trade, and I like to show you the trades too. Is another reason. I do these videos. I love doing these videos. I have a passion for it. I hope some of you are making money because of my, setups and stuff. Like my hook downs and higher close, hook downs, hook ups, lower close, higher close. Those are all unique. Even though somebody might call it something else, it's I've never seen anybody take a trade like a sell trade off a higher closing candle. And I've never seen a trader taking a buy trade from a lower closing candle, So anyway, it is what it is. All that I'm trying to tell you is those setups are very unique. How do I know they're unique? Well, because I created them, but I'm sure there's other traders doing the same thing at the same time I'm doing it. They're just buying a dip or they're just selling a rally. Buy the dips, sell the rallies. That's what my broker, Tim Hannigan, used to tell me. He traded for he was more so of a broker, but he knew how to trade. He was famous with the trend lines and stuff. But yeah, or buying real low on the open. Yeah, he's a totally different trader. But anyway, yeah, they're very unique. Okay, they're very unique. So the entry would be right here. Okay, and this is hidden divergence right here. And if you would have got in here, you would have had a quick move to the upside and you would have took some profits. Like a lot quicker over in here, this little section right here, than in here and definitely in here. Oh my God. So anyway, we had some higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. And I'm sure if you wanted to try buying in here, you could have done that. But anyway, they just take it back down and fish you out. This was the next, look at that, we just went to new highs now. I guess we're going to go higher than this big freaking teardown over here. Let's make it a little less now. Yeah. They're going to take it up there. If I would have held, I would have been good. If I woulda, and I coulda, and I shoulda, but I didn't. But I didn't. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. Oh, I hear so many traders saying that. Oh, if I would have bought down here. Yeah, if you would have. And you could have. And you should have. But you didn't. Okay, so too bad, too sad for you. Okay, so there is the trades of the NASDAQ for today. Now, let's go in here to the MetaTrader. Did we get... didn't buy it back up. I was hoping they would have bought it back up, but they didn't. That is the XRP chart. Okay. NASDAQ. Here's NASDAQ. Oh. Well, here's a double top. Okay. Double top. Just like that. Just like that. Boom. And we would have went down. Actually, we would have went down. We did go down. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. I'll never forget the day that I used to say it all the time to my broker. I go, oh, damn, if I could have done this, or I would have done that, or I should have done this. And he's the one that taught me that saying, woulda, coulda, shoulda. And he's laughing his ass off at me. You know, it was just funny. It was so funny. He also taught me other sayings like, if you don't take it, the market will. He used to say that to me on Fridays. We'd make money all week, and then Friday would come, and I would hold on to the trade, and then Monday would open, and they would steal $1,000 from me. These motherfucking floor brokers in the Chicago Board of Trade, because I was trading soybeans. Yeah. And what's another saying he says? Okay, so, yeah, buy the dips, sell the rallies. He's there, that's how you got to play it. If you don't play it like that, you're going to lose. And he was right. So that's why these setups that I call hook downs, hook ups, lower close, higher close, they're all based on what? Buy the dips, sell the rallies. Okay? That's what they're all based on. And it's not, you know, too complicated to figure it out and realize. It's like right here. They're buying the dip. Up it goes. Right here. They bought the dip. Up it goes. That's it. That's all. Okay, hold on. Let me put on the fucking arrow here. Okay. Oh, I already did put on the arrow. What am I doing now? Oh. Okay. We got to delete the arrow. Okay, let's get us a bull arrow. Here we go, right there. Bull. Oh no, that's the wrong thing again. Okay, hold on. I'm going to get my head back into place. Holy tamale. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. That's it. Okay, let's move on to the S&P now. I didn't even eat my breakfast yet. Yeah. Gonna have some cream of wheat today. That's really good cereal. I just love it. Cream of wheat, oatmeal, Red River. That's Canadian hot cereals. In the States, they have a lot of different ones too. Malto meal. I don't even know the name of the other ones. There's a few of them that we never had up here or sold up here. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, there's Divergence here. There's Divergence here. Okay. You would have been a seller right there. Didn't go very far, did it? No. And you would have been a seller right here. And this one was good. Whoosh. This is the S&P 500. Yeah. Very, very liquid, the S&P. The big boys like trading that, or at least they used to. Yeah, this is a whole new generation of traders today. A whole new generation. I'm 60, and all these new traders, they're like in their 20s. In my day, when when I was in my 20s, I wasn't thinking about these markets. You know, it's just totally changed. Young people trading, which is good. I like to see it, you know. I like to see it. Holy jeez, I can't multitask too good. I'm so sorry. Okay, there's that one trade. There it is. And it went down. It was good. And we had, this is the Dow. Okay. And we had a higher close. Sell it, down it goes. We had some more here too. I'll show you one. That's enough. No. No. Down thumb. I need the down thumb. Okay, I'll show you this one. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Not too far, but down it goes. Okay, let's look at the pound dollar. We have divergence right out of the bottom and out of the top. Like this. Like this. There's our divergence setups. There they are. I didn't finish it on such a Lugan. Jason, come on, man. Get it together. Where's the fucking trade here? It's right here. Lower lows. Up it goes. Okay, and this one from here to here. There. Now it's finished. That's where the setups were. Okay, on the pound dollar. The euro. Oh, we have a nice little double bottom there. We got it. We got to show it. Our lower lows. See? And you would have got long right there. It didn't go very far. This is the euro, US dollar. Went up 5 pips. Yeah, it's not even worth marking on the chart. Bye-bye, euro. Okay, here's pound yen. And pound yen wasn't very good either, but it did have a trade, and I'll show you the trade. Oh, it had a couple of trades. It had a hidden divergence up here. See the big rat, the big blue mountain? See? See? Yeah, that was it. That was it. That was it. And they would have got short right in there. And it went down 40 pips. This is what? Pound yen. Yeah, it went down 40 pips. And then we had a low and a lower low right there like that. Okay. Would have got you long right there. Isn't it funny how I said the other day, I said, I don't know what it is, but you find the divergence on the chart, and then not long after that, guess what happens? The 5 crosses below the 7, and you sell, and down it goes. And you make moolah. Moolah. Yeah. Right here, see? You find the divergence right down here, see? And not long after, what happens? You buy it, and up it goes, and you make moolah. Yes, moolah. Here's 12 pips. There's 20 pips, not too much. Pound yen. But you made good on this one if you were a seller, right? What's going on over here? Oh, yeah. There was a sell here, high, see? Higher highs and the lower high on the indicator, and it did not go very far. Say you sold right there, see, it only went down like 17 pips. Yeah, it was not good. Pound yen was not good today, folks. Okay, let's look at euro yen. Was it any better? No. I'm not even going to mark it. It wasn't even any better. Did it have a trade? Oh, well, I got to mark this one. I'm sorry. Double top. And this one going down like this. And right here. Let's go to sold here, and down it goes. 47 pips. And what did we have along the way? We had some higher close, sell it, down it goes. We sell the rally, we buy the dips, and we sell the rallies. Sell the rallies. Sell the rallies. You see what I'm saying? That's what I was taught to do from Mr. Tim Hannigan, who used to trade the soybean markets and all kinds of other things. Yeah. What a time it was back then. Fucking floor traders, they're crooks, man. They're crooks. Okay, let's look at oil now. Oh, look at this. Lower lows. Yeah, lower lows. Just like that. And would have got long there. How much did it go up? Well, there's 20. There's 40. So you would have got 40 out of that. Not even going to bother marking that one. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Let's look at gold. Did it do anything? Oh, did they chop people up for the gold on President's Day? Holy sheep shit. Well, they bought it up here in the Asia session. Oh, still 170 from here to here. There's divergence here, but it was in the Asia session. Well, we had divergence here too, but how far did it go? It didn't go very far. 55 pips. Points. And in here, yeah, it just sucked. It just sucked. They chopped people up. It sucked. Yeah, it sucked. Anyway, so that's it for the markets that move. And now we'll look at some good old crypto that everybody seems to be afraid of it. I don't know why. Yeah, if you trade it outright and trade it on margin, yeah, you'll lose your fucking ass. But if you buy the coins and you sit on them, yeah, you're okay. But you gotta know what to buy. There's only a couple of coins you can actually buy and maybe make money. Look at how much they're selling off Bitcoin today. I kind of figured it was going to go lower. And same with XRP. Yeah, see? Why did you rally up here if you're just going to fucking sell it back down here again, you bastards? You goddamn bastards. Yeah. It is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. So we'll see. I think, yeah. See right here, the numbers, they're twitching. They're changing. 67, 70, 65, 67. They're buying it back up. The retail is selling because they're worried that the highs are in and it's going to go back down. And they're selling to the big dogs. The big dogs are buying your coins if you're selling them. That's what people don't realize. This thing's going to go way fucking higher. And when it does, you're going to go, ah. You're going to start crying. Boo-hoo. Boo-hoo. Because you sold down here and it'll be up at fucking $15 soon. And you're going to really be regretting it. But you can only trade these coins, these crypto coins, in my opinion, and I'm not a financial advisor, the only way to trade them is not on margin. because you're going to get killed with margin if you just buy whatever and hold on through the thick and thin. Okay, like I told you before, I've been in this one right here that you're looking at for, like, we're in the 7th year. It's a very long time I had to wait, and so many times they tried to shake us out and scare us out and put fear into us and lawsuits and everything else. I'm still here holding on without a worry in the world, you know, because what I risked on this is basically 1%, you know, of what I was, you know, you gotta risk very small percentages of money to make big money. And if you don't, if you bet the whole fucking house or the whole farm on it, well, shit's gonna happen. But as long as you're in the actual digital coins and you have your coins on a ledger, okay, once again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving any financial advice, okay? You can hold on to them for years, just like stock. Same shit. They can't kick you out of the stock either because there's no margin. It's the margin that fucks you, okay? Okay. Anyway, that's basically it for today. And I gotta say it one more time. I am not a financial advisor. I am not telling anybody to buy anything, sell anything, or smoke anything. Okay? Okay. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I want to thank you for coming out. It's been fun. So, we'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.